Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. I am down Chapel Point Barracks and we have the Autel Evo Lite Plus. So we are waiting for, there we go, GP. We just got our GPS. You heard what was going on. It was waiting for the signal. But we're ready to fly, guys. So we are going to get a screen recording going. X recorder and start. 2, 1, recording. Back to the Autel app. And yeah, we can't record until we take off. Let's see, we're in 4K 60 frames a second. We're actually going to leave it on there, guys. And that's it. So let's, we got 99% battery and 13 satellites or 19. I can't really tell, my eyesight's that bad, but let's hit auto takeoff. Get this up in the air. There we go. Turn us around. And it's just about 9 p.m. guys. We're just about at sunset. So we are facing us. And we're on video. Let's start recording. And we'll do a little droney. So reversing up. Oh, wait now. There we go. Kind of went up a little too much before I hit the reverse. Now, wait until you see this sunset, guys. Check that out. Let's get up and out now and pick that camera up a little. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? This is an awesome spot to get your sunset shots. Let's actually, we're going to come this way so I can get the barracks and the view too, if I can. If I can. I might have to go way the frig down there to try and line this up. And it's a nice calm day too, guys. There's a slight breeze, but not bad. Not bad at all. I don't think I'm going to be able to catch the barracks. I would have to bring the drone way out over that point. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to. But, you know what, I'll just bring it the other way and we'll get that point. That's all, guys. We'll take it up the other end. Take it up the barracks. Actually, I can. If I get behind the barracks, I can. We're going to do it that way. So let's head up to the barracks. That's the only way I can get that shot, guys. And it's going to be just beyond the 500 meter mark. It should be. We're 228 right now. We're going to come around. We're going to swing around this point. Hopefully the sun doesn't fade down over the horizon before we can get this. Because I came a little too late. I was trying to get out a little bit earlier. But I thought I had 3 drones to fly, guys, but the batteries discharged on me. They've been sitting a couple of days. Yeah, we just passed the 500 meter mark. And we're going to catch it here. Come on, swing around. We're going to turn this way and we're just going to float sideways now. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's where we want to be. And snap a photo. Bring it back. A little further than I want it to go, guys. This is a great drone. Amazing drone. I would say this drone still has the best camera out of all the drones I own. Not too far away from me there. Laura's down here with me too, guys. She is walking Daisy up that track somewheres. Let's take a zoom in 2 times, 4 times. Now, do the zoom on this compared to the Telly, or sorry, the Hubsan. That Hubsan Ace and the Hubsan Mini, nowhere near as good. So I don't see Laura. We're just zooming up that trail. There she is. No, it isn't. No, that's not her. She has a gray top on. That's right. This barracks is supposed to be open too, guys, to the public now. I'm not sure which days of the week, but it is apparently open. You can see they have a military truck there for show. Now, if you go way back, way back on this channel, you will see me going into that building when they were renovating it. Let's zoom back out here. She's up on the beach here, guys. I just heard her and I just seen her. She is right down here. Let's zoom back in. Where is she at? Right there. Oh. Right there. There's Laura and the doggo. I'm still 50 meters above them, guys. That's just how good the zoom is. That's how good that zoom is. My little dog loves the beach. Absolutely loves it. Goes crazy. So let's zoom out. Let's get this drone back here. Actually check that sunset out as we're crawling back this way. Beautiful spot to fly, guys. Love flying here. That sunset is just about gone. We'll get another photo or two. Snapping photos as I'm flying sideways. Not sure if they'll turn out with blur or not. My controller is rumbling. It's the fan in it. That's what it is. It's the fan, guys. It is warm out. It is very warm out. It's probably still close to 20 some degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So yeah, the controller's getting warm, so it decided to kick the fan on. We'll take one more flight up. I also have the Mini 3 Pro here with me. And you'll get a better look at the dog here. Take a 4-time zoom. There you go. She's in the water. Very first time in the water right there, guys. You guys seen it. And you see that dog pulling her? Trying to get her in. Trying, but I guess just doesn't want to. A little droney, guys. And the camera up. And we'll zoom back out now. We are only down to 74% on the battery. You get a long flight time out of this drone, guys. Very long flight time. I'm going to get a couple of photos here. I believe it does. It does. Now, will it turn out like that? I'm not sure. I hope so. I don't remember. It's been a long time since I've done this. If it will actually record the zoom during the photo. And it allows the photo in the 4 times. So, we'll see, guys. We'll see. If it turns out, I will post them in the video so you guys can see them. I will definitely post them. See, we're only 250 meters right now in distance. Actually, 287 right now. It just popped up a little bit. But if we go around that point, it's quite a bit further than that. Quite a bit. I just want to grab a couple more pics, guys, and then we'll bring this back and land it. We've been filming for 10 minutes now. Back away a bit to get all of this in view. And right about there. Sun's got to be completely down now. Yeah, it's gone. So we're going to bring her back, call it a day on this one. Even though I'll probably keep it up a bit longer and fly it off. Bring it down to storage mode anyway. We're almost there anyway, guys. We're at 68. 60% of storage mode. So we're pretty close. Pretty close. Anyway, that is it. I am back, so we're going to call it quits here, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's flight. If you're new to the channel, you know the drill. Anyway, we do have that drone giveaway coming up very, very soon, guys. We need 70 more subscribers, and I will give away a DJI Neo. That being said, love you guys. Peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.